Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your December month reading, and this will be a different kind of reading and different spread. Uh, I will uh, I will cover first 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days of December in this reading. This will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. So, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading. Let's see what is the energy for you for first 10 days of December. So it's a hermit card. You are very much keeping yourself aloof and detached. You don't want to be socialized in first 10 days of December. So, or maybe you just want to meditate, you want to come out from something, or maybe if you want to make some kind of decision here. um, so for this mature decision, you want to think deeply. You want to see all pros and cons. For this, you are keeping yourself aloof and detached, and to make a decision, to make a wise decision. And I clarify this hermit card with these two cards, five of cups and um, eight of swords. So here you are keeping yourself aloof and detached because um, something you have lost in your love life. Maybe a person, you lost someone in your love life, and you are just making yourself uh, making yourself aloof and detached because you are just regretting over the loss, because you are having you are having love for this person. Still you are having the love for this person. So that's why you are just keeping yourself aloof and detached, and you are feeling yourself in a bondage. Like you just your thoughts are revolving around this regrets and loss. So that's why you don't want to be socialized this time. In the middle 10 days, you're again having it of swords. So you are just in a in a in a bondage. Like your thoughts are just revolving around that person in middle 10 days. This eight of swords is clarified by this two of cup and page of cup. You are thinking thinking more than what can happen. Like you just want to go to that person, you just want to ask your love again from this person, but it cannot happen. Or maybe your thoughts are just revolving around this person, and you just can think, you are just thinking about that soulmate connection you are having with this person. You are still in love with this person. So that's why you cannot keep yourself away from the thoughts of that person in the middle 10 days. So in the last 10 days, here is a good thing. Like it can be a commitment for yourself, the Hierophant. So it can be a commitment from that person towards you, or it can be like that you are attending some marriage ceremony, or it can be like a ritual ceremony, or it can be just it can be just a commitment from that person. What clarify this last 10 days is the judgment and three of wands. So this is a commitment for which you were waiting for a long time. And this is a reconciliation. This commitment is coming from the from your past person, and this is a commitment for whom you were waiting for a long time. So this is coming towards you in the middle 10 days. Your first 20 days, how much they were bad. In the last 10 days, last days of December will be good for you, because you are getting what you want from that person. So maybe you're dealing with a Virgo, or maybe it's a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or it can be Taurus. So here reconciliation can happen for which you were looking for a long time. So this was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.